Greetings, my name is Vanessa Ramírez Rangel. In this video, I would like to share a brief reflection on the webinar that took place on the 17th of November 17. I attended both sessions in the morning and in the afternoon. I had the pleasure of learning about the different proposals presented by our speakers from Mexico, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, among other countries. The ones on that impressed in the most were firstly the one that focused on well-being and the joy of teaching. What I found most valuable was the idea that teachers take care of their own well-being when preparing and delivering a class. In addition, the speaker emphasizes that they should not always guide students everything they ask for, such as direct translations or easily answers. Instead, we should allow them time to think, giving space for their creative thinking develop. This point resonates with me strongly because in my teaching practice, I have noticed that students rarely heavily on the teacher. They want the teacher to provide the answers to very questions that are meant to encourage their on critical thinking. When this happens, the teacher ends up doing the critical think, and the students only writes down someone else's ideas without creating their own. On the teacher, on the other hand, in other proposal that caught my attention, it was from a speaker. I am not clear of it was from Ecuador or Peru. However, we speak about artificial intelligence. He explained how IA can now support us in teaching and research, as long as it is used ethically. With IA, we can collect information much faster. For example, we don't necessarily need to read so much pages just to create a short summary because I can help with these processes, that processes. However, he highlighted the importance of verifying the information provided by IA to ensure it is reliable, relevant, and truly connected to the topic we are working on. These were the proposals that I found most interesting. topics in the webinars. Thank you very much.